my first time.
Jeremy. Jeremy.
Yeah!
I loved it! Oh God!
I'm just gonna hit that like. Oh God, this is serious.
Daddy, this is definitely how I thought it'd be. Oh, look at it. We're here. We're here. We are here. Down, down. No! Right! Whoa! It's too slippery. No, it's not. Oh! Who I am. Oh God. Go, Daddy! Yes. It's so nice. Tell my mom and my dad I didn't feed my dog last week. Oh! I told him the dog knocked it over. I told him the dog did it. All the time. Mow the lawn. I got the neighbor to do it. I paid him all the... Pressed it down a little bit so it looked like it was cut. I just rolled around on the grass, honestly. I feel like it was.
Oh God.
It's like
That's
it
why.
happened.
Get the pin.
He's going and I just don't know how to feel. Be safe, Daddy. I'm not driving with him. I'm just getting in the car. I bet it's not before you get Oh no, this is right. Oh! It definitely hurts.
Oh God, that's really good. I know.
He's here. I mean, yes. You think
Andrew,
you can
watch
sleep
out.
over? timing. It hurt more than you could ever imagine. Oh.
Andrew's like knocked out. Andrew. I thought you would at least get out of the way. I didn't know.